Karekare Falls is located in the western part of Waterfall Ranges Regional Park, near Karekare village. Beautiful scenery and easy access make this waterfall one of New Zealand's must-see waterfalls. Karekare Falls is roughly a 45 to 60 minutes drive away from Auckland City. The road surface is always sealed. If you drive from Auckland, follow the road which leads to Piha. A few minutes before arriving in Piha village, as soon as you see a sign Karekare, turn left and follow the main road. You have two options: either turn right into Karekare Beach car park which has toilets and a beautiful picnic area, or drive straight and park on the left side of the road as soon as you see the top of the waterfall. The track to the bottom of the falls starts there. An easy walking trail leads to the waterfall's lookout. It takes 5 minutes to reach the falls. You will find beautiful opal pool stream cascade at the beginning of the track. The walk is quite easy. Unfortunately, it has some stairs at the beginning, so not suitable for wheelchairs, strollers. But even if you have one, the view from the start of the track still worth driving there. The forested areas of the Waterfall Ranges Regional Park will be closed to prevent the spread of, and to protect against Kare dieback disease. Some tracks in the Hunua Ranges Regional Parks will also be closed. Hence, Aotearoa track is closed. Access beyond the base of the falls is prohibited. If you have a reasonable level of fitness, you may choose to climb to the top of Waterfall via a 30 minutes one-way Aotearoa tramping track. There is quite a good swimming spot, where you may decide to have a rest and swim, smiley face. Don't forget a towel. Karekare Beach is a popular, secluded black sand beach located on Auckland's west coast, known for its stunning natural beauty and association with the film The Piano. The iconic scene in Jane Campion's The Piano, where Ada and her daughter bring the piano ashore, was filmed at Karekare Beach, located west of Auckland, New Zealand. Other scenes were filmed in bush areas near Matakana and Aotearoa, and underwater scenes were shot in the Bay of Islands. It's part of the Waterfall Ranges Regional Park and offers a peaceful escape from the city, about an hour's drive from downtown Auckland. The beach is also known for its firm, wide sand, making it great for walking or running along the water's edge. Here's a more detailed look at Karekare Beach. Location: west coast of Auckland, between Piha Beach and Muriwai Beach. Accessibility: roughly a 40-minute drive from central Auckland. Features: black sand beach. Strong waves, suitable for surfing. Karekare Falls are a short walk inland. Part of the Waterfall Ranges Regional Park. Activities: walking and running along the beach. Surfing. Picnics in designated areas. Walking trails to Karekare Falls. Safety. The beach is not patrolled year-round, so exercise caution when swimming, especially if flags are not present. Surf lifesavers may patrol during late spring, summer, and early autumn. The Piano Connection. The beach is famous for being featured in the film The Piano. Horse riding requires a permit and is allowed before 10 a.m. and after 4 p.m. Charlie Adventures, show some love, hit that thumbs up, share the video, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Join me, Off-Grid Charlie, as I uncover the hidden gems of Aotearoa, one epic adventure at a time. From breathtaking landscapes to local secrets, let's explore the very best of New Zealand together. Discover, explore, and experience Aotearoa like never before, through my lens. Kia ora. I'm Charlie, your guide to the most stunning spots and unforgettable adventures in New Zealand. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on my latest New Zealand adventures.